I'm going to do a magic trick. I'm going to increase your credit score from 400 to 800 instantly. Abracadabra scam. Hello and welcome guys. My name is Odom. I'm a board certified credit consultant, and today we're going to talk about how long does it actually take to increase your credit score. Stay tuned. As a credit consultant, this may be a question that I get daily, man, like daily. How long does it take to increase my credit score? Will my credit score jump up 100 points within 30 days? In order to understand that question, guys, you have to understand how credit works. So when somebody wants credit results overnight, that person is not going to have a good score in the future because they have false expectations about credit. Now, I'm not saying it takes years for you to see results. I'm just saying you have to make a realistic goal on how long it takes to get your credit score up. Now, when you ask me if I wanted to take my credit up 20 points, how long does it take? Then I can tell you within 2 weeks or so, maybe even 30 days, but it doesn't take that long because I can give you a strategy right now that increase your credit score 20 points. So it really depends on how you're trying to increase your score. Now, if you're talking about taking your score from 400 to 800 or 5 to 8 or whatever, you're not going to get that. That's not going to work, guys. Give yourself a year or two for something like that, maybe even 2 years, because it takes payment history. You have to build up a relationship with your creditors. You have to show them that over time, I pay my bills on time. And I also have open line of credit that I'm not using or things like that. But just to give you a quick answer, how long does it take to improve your credit score? 3 months, about 90 days. You're going to see results within the first 30 days if you do what we tell you guys when it comes to what type of letters to send to the creditors, what type of letters to send to the bureaus to tell them to take it off your report, stuff like that. You're going to see increases within the first month, but ultimately it takes months for you to have changes with your credit score because you have to give yourself time in order to mail letters off, in order for bureaus to respond, in order for creditors to respond, things like that. Credit is not an overnight thing. Now, if you have a good credit score, you can get access to funding and credit cards and stuff like that like overnight. But in order to get a good credit score, it's not an overnight process. So as long as you can put in your head, this is a journey, not a sprint. This is a marathon, not a sprint. I have to change my habits and look at credit better. Then the quick answer, just a few months, you can make a lot of changes with your credit. So today, guys, we talked about how long does it actually take to increase your credit score. It really depends on the person and what they have on their credit and their goals and you know, their expectations, things like that. So I can't just give you a straight answer, but that is my answer. If you need any type of credit advice or you need help with your credit, I'll have a link in the description below. You can sign up for a free consultation and me or my wife will give you a call and we'll take a look at that report with you. Again, get those credit scores up, guys. I'll see you on the next video. And if you're on YouTube looking at this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you later. Peace.